So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to change from TurboTax Live to regular. So first, you need to access your TurboTax account, which is under Live. Then after that, navigate to Tax Home, and then you will see this page. And under the personal information, you just have to click on that one. And once you click on that, you will see Continue button. You just have to click on that. And once you click on that one, under the left navigation bar, you will see switch products right there. Once you click on that one, you will see a drop down menu, which is a upgrade, clear and start over. So you just have to click on the clear and start over tab. And once you click on that, just click the yes button for you to able to confirm that you wanted to clear your return. And then after that, you are now on the regular TurboTax. As you can see on the top left corner, you will see that there is no live button or the live logo right there because you already switched into a regular account. After that, you just have to click on the got it to confirm. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.